Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Ethereum and Tron is in our focus today, and that's what we're going to be talking about and taking a look at the price action and what's really going on inside of the market. And of course, as always, we're going to be covering the market as a whole. But before we do that, support the channel, drop in, subscribe, and click the bell notification so you don't miss any more of our videos. And without further ado, let's dive in. So Ethereum right now trading around 2,492. Now, the last time that we covered Ethereum, we were talking about this price action. We were hoping to kind of break above that as we did before, right? And what I mean by that is, as we were talking about the 25th of August, we kind of broke above resistance. Then we had the 27th of September, we kind of barely broke above that. And well, we had the same thing on the 21st of October as well. So 27th in October, and now we're just kind of going back down. You can kind of see the pattern that's kind of formulating like it was from the beginning of October, and the same thing towards the end of October as well. So nothing too crazy, just one of those retracements that's coming on. But 2,670, 677 is right around the area. We're still kind of keeping that as our resistance area that we want to get to. But our main goal is at least to get around 2,800. Now, we were talking about that last time as well, is that 2,800 is kind of where we need to get to, where we're going to see some more really strong resistance again. But to kind of keep going over that, it's going to be a bigger positive sentiment coming in. The resistance level, or I'm sorry, the support level is also around right around 2450 or 2450. We're working our way down it, unfortunately, so that's pretty strong right now. And then the only other one, the kind of safe fail that we'd have there is around 2349 as well. If we look at the weekly chart, let's take a look. Here we go. The weekly chart, you can kind of see where we're kind of also is showing that line, and that's where these lines are playing the big role here as well, the two orange, the 28 and the 2451. You can kind of see where we're kind of staying in between that, right, where we really need to push above the 2670, the 2677. So within that, again, depending on how we're going to do within uh, the next week or so, we can probably push above it. But it is starting to get higher than it was back in September. I think when we trace back up, we'll at least come back in. I think we just have a couple more times to kind of push through. It's not going to stay that way forever. I don't see any huge falls coming through. And the market structure, or as far as those major market structures like we've had back here, we've already kind of we could be on the possible uptick of that around 31, right? And let's see, when were we at the 3,300? Yeah, the beginning of August. So we can kind of come back up into that, I believe. Um, Hopefully within the next 2 or 3 weeks, kind of coming in, you can kind of see how the weeks are going, how the month's going. So hopefully, let's just say the next month we can be back on track. So let's jump into Tron, right? So Tron's trading around 16 cents right now. This is Tron to the US dollar, right? Big positive, big positive things coming in. Now, I drew this line a long time ago, a while back, right? And we've had that shot up that we had back on the 21st of August, that huge shoot, that huge pump that we had. And then we're just kind of like retracing up, retracing, but coming up and still gradually climbing, which is really, really good. Now we're reaching our resistance level that I had set yesterday afternoon. So we're still climbing above that, so around 16 cents. So once we break into that, we're going to be working back to getting up to our highs, right around 18 cents before. Let me just kind of zoom in. And when did we have that? That was back, yeah, like 3 years ago. So this is going to be the first biggest high that we've had in like 3 years if we can break past what we had on the 27th, right around the 16 mark. So very, very positive things for Tron. Even weekly, you can just kind of like take a look weekly. It's just still climbing. It's not really even retracing back so hard. So good positive things are coming from Tron. So if you are trading Tron, fantastic. It gives you those little opportunities to kind of buy in and make some cash. Here we don't have any retracements. Of course, you know, if it starts retracing down, you can buy and then enter the market. I don't think I need to explain that to you guys, but you get the picture. As for crypto market as a whole for the daily, well, okay, Solana's by 0.4, Bitcoin's by Solana's down by 0.04, which is practically nothing, but Bitcoin is up by 0.4%. Ethereum's down by 2.6 on that decline. We have Cardano's down by almost 3% at 2.9% as well. Tron is up by 1.6. You have Litecoin up by 1.2. You have Polkadot, or let's see, Polygon up at minus 2.9. Right, so 2.9%. Doge is up by 0.16. SHIB is down, so everything is pretty much down for the daily, weekly, and month. But except for weekly, we have Solana is up by 13.1%. Ethereum's down by 5%. Monthly, Bitcoin jumped up by 5.4. Ethereum is down by 5.9, but Solana has jumped up by 16.5. SHIB 19.5 for the month, and APT 20.3 for the month. So Doge is also up by 28.3, excuse me, and Uniswap by 15.6. So it's not really good, but it's not really bad, right? So we'll take a look at some of these others. I think we're eyeing Cardano again. I think we'll do XRP as well in the upcoming videos. So don't go anywhere. Let me know your thoughts. Where do you think that Ethereum's going to land, and where do you think what's Tron going to do? What's your idea? What's your opinion on that? Let me know in the comment section below. And guys, I will catch you again in the next video.